Welcome! If you want your Facebook page to reach more people and get recommended to users browsing similar pages, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to enable the recommendation feature for your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC following the newest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account that manages your page. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Next, find and click on Settings and Privacy. A new menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page, where you can control everything about your Facebook experience. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a list of settings categories. Scroll down until you find the section labeled How People Can Find and Contact You. Click on it to open more options. Now, look for the setting that says, Allow your page to be recommended to people looking at similar pages. This is the key feature that helps Facebook suggest your page to users who are interested in content like yours. To turn it on, simply toggle the switch or check the box next to this option. Once you've enabled this setting, your page will be eligible to appear as a recommendation whenever someone visits a page similar to yours. This can help you grow your audience, increase engagement, and connect with more people who are interested in what you offer. And that's it. You've just made it easier for new followers to discover your page on Facebook. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.